I'll be using Brazilian human hair. I received this hair today. The hair came with 3 bundles and 1 frontal, ear to ear lace closure, 10 inches. This hair is really soft and silky. It doesn't have any smell. If you want to order the hair, that's my WhatsApp number on the screen. Each of the bundle came with 12 inches. I'm using a dome cap. The first thing I'm going to do is to apply the dome cap to the mannequin head, pin down the both side and the back. I will use my pins to pin down the frontal on each side. I'm going to use 3 pins to pin down the back. I'll place one on the middle. Make sure the back have to be flat. Next is to sew down the frontal. Take down the needle through the dome cap and bring it out through the frontal. When sewing, don't sew the elastic, sew the fabric. I will be sewing it close to each other. I will not be giving too much gap so that the frontal will be well secured and neat. Once I am done sewing down the frontal, I will go ahead and secure it and cut off the remaining thread. You can see how it looks very neat. Next is to sew down the bundle. I'm going to double it. While sewing it, I'm going to be knotting down the thread. Just focus on the way I am sewing it. You are going to learn something from this video if you don't know how to make your wig cap. Now I'm going to flip it over and continue on the next line. I'll be sewing a single bundle to the last line close to the frontal. Once I am done sewing it, I'll cut off the remaining. Secure the end. I'll be sewing the remaining at the back of the wig cap. So next is to cut off the excess dome cap from the space of the frontal. I will also sew elastic band to the wig cap. Next is to pre-pluck the frontal because I want it to look natural when I am putting it on. Once I am done, I'll cut off the excess lace from the frontal. I'm going to go ahead and flat iron this hair. I will be installing this hair in my next video, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.